one mallard pair out here.
Well, they're all over the place. I just hit bottom.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, I'm not. I'm just stuck. I'm trying to video and I'm stuck. Oh, here we go. It's going now. I'm trying to go and hold the camera. This is kind of an awkward angle, but oh well.
I hope you're getting a video of you taking off.
I am. I am. If you get closer to them, they'll take off.
I can't.
You can't get any closer?
No, I'm looking at their footprints all over the sandbar here.
Woo! 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 Sorry. Oh my God. They're gonna poop on top of me is what they're gonna do. They're like, I think I made enough noise.
I hope you're still taking this.
I am, but they're so totally gonna get back at me, I'm telling you. I'm gonna get...
Take it off, it looks like the birds.
It's gonna be poop all over me. You know that, don't you? Oh Lord, they're on top of me. I'm gonna have a plop any minute. Okay, that was cool. They're all gone.
They really started going.
Well, I was not just whistling, I think I was screaming. It would have made my husband happy. Oh, there they go, they're landing again. These guys are so amazing. There's so many over here. They're on the sandbar that we can't go any farther.
You know, I think the reason that it doesn't look like there's a river coming in is that it was so shallow it all dried up.
I think you're right. I think this is where the river came out. Right here.
Could be.
Oh, and there's a rock right in front of my kayak. Going straight for the rock. I think I'm going to turn around. Yeah, let's turn around right now. Say goodbye, seagulls. Bye, seagulls. Bye, birdie, 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 birdies. There you are.
It was so shallow, it was about like this, and I could see all their footprints on the bottom where they'd been walking around.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Crud. And there's a plane that is now coming overhead, landing in the airport, which is right... Yeah, right by us. That's the only noise besides the seagulls that we've heard today. It's so quiet and peaceful out here on the Utah Lake. Oh, that's pretty cool. And it's landing in Provo Airport. Bye.